Today I am going to design a new part, helical gear. So let us start. Go to a sketch, draw circle, center circle, select front plane, draw circle, set millimeter, go to back, enter dimension enter 100 mm. So select yes. Okay, go to feature, extrude boss base, select 40 mm, mid plane select. Okay, select, go to a sketch, select top, go to a sketch, normal, select a sketch, select center line, draw center line, circle midpoint to midpoint, select A, again go to given area and select line, draw line 20 dimensions, select. We are going to given area and select smart dimension, select this line to this line, go to back and select smart dimension, select pixel line and select line into dimension 23 degree angles, enter 20 degree angle here, yes, select OK, go to back, OK, go to feature, select projection, project, project curve, select plane, space, OK, select this side, go to a sketch, draw center line, midpoint to this point, select and go to a sketch, draw circle, two circle draw, select, again go to given area and select circle, draw circle, select dimension, first select line for construction purpose, yes, select line purpose and select construction, OK, select. We are go to given area and select smart dimension, enter dimension, after circle dimension 98 mm, enter 96, 96 mm, enter dimension 95 mm, OK, and inner circle diameter. So select a smart dimension, enter dimension inner circle 86 mm, enter. Okay, go to ribbon area, select 3-point arc, draw 3-point arc. Okay, select line, draw line, this point to construction line, vertical construction line. Okay, select interdimension. We will go to ribbon area and select dimension, interdimension 1.02 mm, 1.2 mm, enter, and radius 12 mm, enter. This point to this point 4 mm, enter. Okay, go to ribbon area, select mirror entity, select all and select construction line. Okay, go to ribbon area and select 3-point arc. Okay, select again, select 3-point arc, draw 3-point arc. Okay, select, go to back, go to ribbon area, we are select swift cut. Okay, go to optional flow path, select a specific direction vector. Okay, and select line. Okay, again go to linear pattern, select circular pattern, draw, select line. Select circle pattern. Okay, select geometry pattern. Okay, go to select this side, go to a sketch, draw circle, circle diameter 25, enter. Okay, and select circle, go to circle, center rectangle, draw center rectangle. Again select center rectangle and draw center rectangle. Okay, select interdimension 9 mm, enter, 4 mm, enter. Okay, go to trim entity and select trim entity, trim. Okay, go to feature, select extrude cut through all. Okay, Select gear side and draw circle. Two circle draw. Okay, select. Again draw circle. Okay, select. Enter dimension 70 mm. Enter. Inner dimension 40 mm. Enter. Okay, go to feature and extrude cut. Ten mm. Back into 10 mm. Go to select mirror entity. Select plane. Front plane. Select. Okay. Go to color and we are select color. Select through all. Okay. Okay. This line hide. Select. Okay.